Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are working on the Demon again. Today we're just going to do a quick little install. We're going to wire up the headlights today. So, perfect time. We're running out of daylight, so that'd be perfect for about when we get done with this stuff. Just to show you where we're at with it. Just got some new plug wires, new air cleaner, a little bit bigger air cleaner. Plug wires on there. Got it running good. Got the headers all wrapped up. Brand new wheels on it. Wheels that actually fit, made for the car this time. So the camber sits not as bad as it did before, but the wheels on it, they look a lot better. We did away with the big tires in the rear for now. We just got some small tires on it. There's some 275 60-15s on it for now. The other ones, they were 33 13.5 15, so we just got a little small tire on there for now, just so we can drive it around and do all that good stuff. Fuel cell's in it. Works, it's functional. Battery tray, battery, master disconnect switch, everything's wired up. As you can see, it's ran all through, up inside. We got a bunch of extra parts sitting inside of it for right now, but we'll get that cleaned up whenever we start racing. But I don't know how well you can see it, but it's where it ran through the firewall all along the door sill. It's just tucked up in there for now, and up under the dash. Also got the fuel pump wired up to a little toggle switch. So there's that. Custom made that panel myself. So today we're gonna be hooking up the headlights to that panel. Maybe, actually, I don't know. I think I might hook it up somewhere else on the dash. But so yeah, let's go ahead and get started before it gets too dark. Just gotta take these 4 bolts out, 2 on each side. Pull the grill out so I can get to the headlights. Alright, so I'm not going to pull the grill completely out because then I have to pull the bumper off first to get to it. So all you got to do is there's these 3 little screws, one right here, one over here, and then one down here. And the bezel should turn. I don't think I have it loosened all the way. This one's out, and this one should be about out. Alright. There you go. And the headlight just pops out. And as you can see, the pins are on the back there. So we got the plugs, we get them wired up. Alright, so we got the headlight out. We got the pigtail plugged on there. We went ahead and marked this one. You can see there's a ground, low beam, and then the high beams on the other side. Being that this is not a highway friendly vehicle, we are not going to be wired in the high beams, just the low beams. The switch I got only has on or off, so low beams it is. So I'm going to go ahead and splice these wires and run it to a ground and get the wire and get it running into the car, run it to the switch, and see if it works.
Tomorrow.
So it is currently day 2. I'm inside right now. It's raining, but we're gonna make this happen. We're gonna get this done today. So I got my fuse block down there. Got the panel right here. The wires ran through. I don't know how good you can see it. It's not clean just yet. Just got to run through. But I got the grounded up in there. I think you can tell. And then all I got to do now is run this to the switch, and then from the switch to the one of the positive spaces on the fuse block over there, and we should have lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook that up, wire those together, and see what we got. All right, so I got the switch mounted to the dash, wired up, and like I said, it's not pretty yet, but I just want to make sure it works. I got the fuse in there, got the wires ran, and we'll see what she does. We got lights. I don't know how great you can see that. I'll do an outside POV, but like I said, I just did the low beams, so all we got is on and off. So low beams on, off. And would you look at that? She's got eyes. Oh yeah. We're getting to the racetrack this year. We're getting to the racetrack this year. I don't know how good we're gonna do. We're gonna get a good baseline, but we're getting to the racetrack this year. Oh man, I'm so excited. Well, I think that's gonna go ahead and do it. We got lights, she's got eyes, they work. Easy install-ish, minus the fact that it's raining, or it was raining. It's not raining now, but it was raining. It's cold, but we got it. We're making it happen. So if you want to continue to follow us on this journey, we'll get to that racetrack soon enough, making some passes. Engine runs, car's got brakes, it stops. It's got a fuel cell, fuel pump, everything hooked up. Really, right now, nothing's holding me back from getting in there, firing it up, and moving. Gotta get the kickdown linkage on so I can actually drive it, but other than that, we're getting there. So yeah, if you want to like and subscribe, stay with us, be much appreciated. Follow us on this journey, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.